This time we are in the most ancient part of Carini, in the medieval part, at the entrance of the famous castle. I'm about to present a townhouse. This townhouse here is located at the second, third floor. It means that to get up, you have to take the stairs every time. Here, the first floor, but this one belongs to another owner. Okay, this is the entrance of the Maisonette. Here there is the kitchen with the bathroom and first bedroom, double bedroom with window, and there is a storage room inside. Each floor here is equipped with a balcony, own balcony, and it's very important that you take a look at the view that we have here. There is the distance view, amazing, but trust me, this is not the most beautiful one, because as I said at the beginning of the video, there is a floor more. Here we have these internal stairs. Alright. Here a kind of studio that eventually can be used like a single bedroom. And here the second double bedroom with the bathroom again. So basically here we have, in this duplex maisonette, 2 bedrooms, 1 studio room and 2 bathrooms, beyond the kitchen living obviously. Look at the view, it's simply fabulous. But the story, it's not over. As here we have a big terrace. With porch. So if for example you want to have dinner outside, you can do that quietly. And the roof is walkable. Just you have to use the ladder to get up there. I made a video about the view that you have from there. If you want to see more, just let me know.